back out. Ghost towns, old mining towns, abandoned towns, and I'm back in Shaniko. I'm gonna walk around a little more this time and take more photos too. It's earlier in the day. Oh yeah. Hello. Are you my tour guide for Shaniko? Oh boy, we're gonna get around in those. How about we take my Jeep? What the heck is that? I like walked it. This looks 3D, like. Oh, it's wood. Like, look. Whoa, that's cool. It is a mid-90s out. I really thought it'd be more. Busy here in Shaniko today, but it's awfully off, like, for a summer day. It is a Monday. It is a Monday. Dash cam. This little shop right here in Shaniko is for rent. Right now it looks like it's just got some past things that they do. Someone's art. Over here. This is for rent. So then I heard the hotel was back open. Old Nugget Saloon, the old house, the post office, something. Not sure down there, I haven't went that far. Please be responsible pet owner. Pick up after your pets. Thank you. We've been down the wood road. And we come upon the Shaniko Bank. Oh, there's a robbery going on. Put 'em up! Put 'em up! That's the vault, there's a door. Making our way down. Now I am 1901 Shaniko City Hall Fire Brigade building established 1901. some restrooms for the cowgirls and the cowboys. And the paddy wagon. Well, I guess we gotta go see the marshal. Been there a while. The assassination of President William McKinley, 1901. There's a lot to read right now. No one around, I guess. I got nothing to report anyways. Road noise. It's like, I don't hear the tumbleweeds go through here. It's quiet on this front. Chinook pioneers, the Fowley family, the Farrell family, and the Moody family. 3 books, magazines, and stuff in the museum. The Shaniko Preservation Guild, thank you for visiting. Shaniko Pioneers, Bill and Lily Reese. I think that's it right there. I hope it's okay that I came in by Jeep today. So this town was around before. Jeeps. Saloon, trading post, even Marshall was out of town. Now, it's the stagecoach station, so maybe if I wait long enough, since I don't have a horse to tie up, I'll go wait in my Jeep and see if somebody strolls through town. It is a very hot day in the 90s. Shaniko. This is their museum. And I guess went to free stuff. There was a sign. Free stuff. Oh, okay. Just $3, yeah. Donation boxes over there. Population 26. Regional Columbia Southern Town, now Shaniko Hotel. Westview's articles, Ghost Town Gazette. Alright. Fire hose wagon, horse-drawn, Shaniko Museum, Edmund. Oh, there's a little bird. Hi, little guy. Oh, I see. Oh, I think he might be hurt. I don't want to scare him. RV park back there, is that? That's interesting. Like, yeah, here's the, I'm not sure. I don't know what this one, jail? Side of the road. It's like, how are they doing it? I wonder what that is, because they read that one's completely redone. Got one more road here. Shaniko House Scales. Service Studebaker Station. Studebaker mechanic on duty. And Texaco. Service you can trust. Batteries, auto supplies, tires. Marfax lubrication and owner tune-up. And a public telephone.